Ostriches are the largest and heaviest living bird species. They are native to Africa and are found in a variety of habitats, from savannas to deserts. Ostriches are flightless birds, but their strong legs make them exceptional runners. They can reach speeds of up to 72 miles per hour when running. Ostriches have only 2 toes on each foot, which is unusual for birds. Their long legs help them cover large distances quickly and efficiently. Ostriches have powerful kicks that can be dangerous to predators. The male ostrich is called a rooster or cock, and the female is called a hen. Adult male ostriches typically weigh between 220 and 290 pounds. Females are generally smaller, weighing between 150 and 260 pounds. Ostriches have large eyes, measuring about 2 inches in diameter, which are the largest eyes of any bird. They have excellent eyesight and can spot predators from great distances. Ostriches lack teeth, so they swallow small stones to help grind their food in their gizzard. The ostrich's diet includes plants, roots, seeds, and insects. Ostriches are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. The wings of ostriches are not developed for flight but are used for balance and courtship displays. Ostriches are social birds and live in groups called flocks. A flock usually consists of several hens with their chicks, led by a dominant male. Ostriches make a variety of sounds, including grunts, hisses, and booming calls. They have a distinct mating ritual involving dancing displays by the male. During courtship, the male ostrich will alternate wing flaps and perform a high-stepping dance to attract a mate. The female selects a mate based on these displays and the overall health of the male. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird species and can weigh up to 3 pounds. The shells of ostrich eggs are thick and hard, allowing adults to stand on them without breaking. A single ostrich egg is roughly equivalent to 24 chicken eggs in volume. Both male and female ostriches take turns incubating the eggs by sitting on them. The incubation period for ostrich eggs is about 35 to 45 days. Ostrich chicks are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open and are capable of walking shortly after hatching. Ostriches have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years in the wild. In captivity, they can live even longer, reaching up to 50 or 60 years. Ostriches are well adapted to survive in harsh environments with limited water. They can go without water for several days by obtaining moisture from the plants they consume. Ostriches have a unique urine and feces expulsion system, with both being expelled simultaneously in a projectile manner. Ostriches are important to the ecosystem as they contribute to seed dispersal through their diet. The feathers of an ostrich are loose and shaggy, providing insulation in extreme temperatures. The coloration of an ostrich's feathers helps them blend into their surroundings, providing camouflage. Ostriches have strong immune systems and are relatively resistant to many diseases that affect other birds. The ancient Egyptians domesticated ostriches for their feathers, meat, and as symbols of wealth and fertility. Ostrich feathers have been historically used for decorative purposes, such as in hats and fashion accessories. The ancient Greeks believed that ostrich eggs had medicinal properties and used them in various remedies. Ostrich leather is highly prized for its durability and is used in luxury goods like bags and shoes. The Swahili people of East Africa believe that ostriches are the only birds that have both male and female voices. In some African cultures, ostrich eggs are used as containers or carved into decorative items. Ostriches are mentioned in various ancient texts, including the Bible and Greek mythology. Ostriches have been featured in folklore and storytelling across different cultures. The San people of southern Africa believe that the ostrich played a role in creating the moon. The ostrich is one of the few birds with a bladder, allowing it to store urine. Ostriches are known to be excellent swimmers, and they may cross rivers and streams during their migrations. Ostriches are capable of covering large distances during their migrations in search of food and water. Ostriches have a unique defense mechanism known as threat display, where they lie low to the ground and press their necks against the earth. The flightless nature of ostriches is attributed to their large and heavy bodies, making it impractical for them to fly. Ostriches have been successfully farmed for their meat, which is low in fat and cholesterol. The ostrich is part of the ratite group, which also includes emus, rheas, kiwis, and cassowaries. Ostriches have a high metabolic rate, and they can produce a lot of heat during digestion, helping them survive in various climates. Ostriches have an impressive cardiovascular system, allowing them to circulate blood efficiently to support their active lifestyle. Ostriches are territorial and may fiercely defend their nests and young against potential threats. Ostriches have excellent memories and can recognize and remember their flock members. Ostriches have a keen sense of hearing, which is crucial for detecting predators in their environment. The mating season for ostriches varies depending on their location, often coinciding with the rainy season when food is more abundant. Ostriches are known to swallow small pebbles to aid in the digestion of tough plant material. Ostrich eggs are laid in a communal nest, where multiple females contribute to the same nest site. Ostriches have been depicted in various artworks throughout history, symbolizing different cultural meanings. Ostriches have a distinct, double kick, defense mechanism, where they can kick both forward and backward with their powerful legs. Ostriches have specialized feathers on their wings and tail for display purposes during courtship. The ancient Romans considered ostrich meat a delicacy and believed it had medicinal properties. Ostriches have been hunted for their feathers, meat, and skin, leading to conservation concerns in some areas. Ostrich eggs are often decorated and used in artistic creations, showcasing intricate designs and patterns. The flight feathers of ostriches have a unique structure, lacking the barbules that help form the tight structure seen in flying birds. Ostriches have a unique respiratory system with air sacs that enhance oxygen exchange during both inhalation and exhalation. Ostriches have a keen sense of smell, aiding in the detection of predators and locating food. Ostriches can maintain a constant body temperature, even in extreme environmental conditions. Ostriches have been bred for their docile nature and are sometimes kept on farms for their eggs and meat. The feathers of an ostrich can be brown, black, gray, or white, depending on the subspecies. Ostriches have a gland near their eyes that secretes an oily substance, providing additional protection to their feathers. The San people of southern Africa believe that the ostrich has a connection to rainmaking. Ostriches have a well-developed scum, aiding in the fermentation of plant material in their digestive system. The ostrich's large eyes help them see predators from afar, contributing to their survival in the wild. The male ostrich's call is described as a booming sound that can be heard over long distances. Ostriches are monogamous during the breeding season, with pairs forming for the purpose of raising chicks. Ostriches have a distinctive and powerful running stride, covering 10 to 16 feet in a single stride. Ostriches have a unique defense mechanism of hiding their heads in the sand when threatened, although they don't actually bury their heads. Ostrich eggs are often hollowed out and used for decorative purposes or as containers. Ostriches have been depicted in ancient cave paintings, showcasing their significance in early human cultures. Ostriches have been bred for their feathers in various parts of the world, including South Africa and the United States. The eggs of ostriches are laid in a shallow depression in the ground, and both parents take turns incubating them.